Welcome back, the young and the restless fans. November sweeps in Genoa City are bringing the heat with explosive secrets, family feuds, and steamy showdowns. Phyllis Summers will take charge and be all set to trap Sharon into spilling the beans about Heather's death, but not so soon. Because something tells us her plan might put her in jeopardy. Next up, there might be trouble in paradise for Summer and Chance, which will force her to turn to Kyle. What will happen then? And in a grand twist, Victor Newman is pulling all of the stops by restoring the legendary Newman Ranch. And now, before we break down the twist, make sure you're subscribed to our channel for all the juicy updates and hit that like button so you never miss a moment. Hold on tight because this next chapter in Genoa City promises to keep you guessing. Why enters November previews show Phyllis Summers diving headfirst into a risky game, targeting Sharon with an icy warning that might backfire soon. It looks like Phyllis might try to force a confession out of Sharon about Heather's death. Here's the kicker. Phyllis has no real proof, just a bold strategy to push Sharon to the edge. Will Sharon take the bait, or is Phyllis about to walk herself into a trap? And we know Sharon, she isn't one to handle this calmly. A little birdie tells us that Sharon will be ready for a showdown and might even threaten a restraining order if Phyllis doesn't back off. And let's just say Nick Newman won't be thrilled to see Sharon push to the limit. Things are about to get intense as these nighttime rivals face off. Meanwhile, Christine Blair will also be in the mix as she tries to hide a key piece of information about Daniel from Phyllis. But why hold back? It seems like Christine fears that Phyllis, in her signature chaotic style, could blow everything sky high if she knew the truth. OMG. The storyline is getting intense and we love it. It's only a matter of time before the truth explodes, so we have to just wait and watch. As we dive deeper into Thanksgiving month, Y&R is hitting the roof with drama, with Daniel Romalotti Jr.'s arrest at the center of it all. Now, Chance Chancellor may only be doing his job by taking Daniel away for Heather's murder, but Summer Newman might not be able to understand this. This shocking ordeal might throw Summer and Chance's relationship into a whole new chaos. Will their love survive the pressure, or is this the beginning of the end? Things might also get messier when Summer, in her moment of loneliness, finds herself leaning on none other than her ex, Kyle Abbott. Ooh, it looks like old lovers might come together. But what will happen to Kyle's new budding relationship with Claire? Summer might be stirring the pot, and just when Claire and Kyle get some alone time, she'll make an unexpected entrance with the oldest trick in the book, the forgotten phone. This will definitely bring issues between Claire and Kyle, and jealousy is never good. If Summer continues to come between Claire and her new boyfriend, she might just unleash her inner bad side, which was once nurtured by Jordan. But let's not forget, it's not just about romance. There's a dark cloud of suspicion and secrets over Genoa City, which wreaks havoc in several lives. But wait, there's more. This beautiful yet dramatic month will not be just about drama and chaos. It's bringing back heartwarming nostalgia and some serious romance. The one and only Victor Newman has a jaw-dropping surprise in store for Nikki, and it's bound to pull at every fan's heartstrings. You are not ready for this because Victor's had the iconic Newman Ranch restored to its former glory, and Nikki has no idea what's waiting for her. Talk about a grand gesture. But that's not the only celebration. Coming up, the newly engaged couple, Abby and Devon, are also all set to take a big step, and the timing couldn't be better. With the beautifully restored Newman Ranch as the backdrop, they're ready to say, I do, in front of their closest friends and family. And here's the real kicker. This unforgettable wedding will mark the Young and the Restless 13,000 episode on November 13th. You can bet it'll be a star-studded affair with familiar faces like Jill Abbott, Ashley Abbott, and even Harmony joining in the festivities. So, ladies, we shouldn't get too comfortable. This is Genoa City, after all. As Abby and Devon step into their new beginning, we all know that soap-style drama is never far away. Will they make it through their big day drama-free? Only time will tell. And just when you thought the surprises were over, here comes more trouble on the Young and the Restless. There's been a lot of discussion about Nate Hastings finding himself in a whole new angle of family drama, and let's just say it's not going to be smooth sailing. Amy Lewis is still waiting for him to make up his mind, and this time, Nate's ready with an answer. It looks like he's leaning toward agreeing to help Amy track down his estranged half-brother, Damien. Here's the catch. Damien isn't just Amai's son, he's Nate's estranged half-brother, and this is soap opera, so it's never that simple. Something tells us that Damien isn't going to be thrilled to find out he has a half-sibling. Will Nate be able to handle whatever family secrets and drama come to light? The CBS show has a way of turning every reunion into a tangled mess, and this one will be no different. Will Nate be able to handle whatever is coming next? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below. This month, we'll witness another tangled web spinning in GC. Diane Jenkins is about to play a game so risky it could backfire more than she ever thought. She might send out a strange message that will set off all kinds of alarms. It looks like this could be the proof we've been waiting for to show that her breakup with Jack Abba is nothing but a ruse. If Diane and Jack have truly been scheming together all along, it could mean trouble for Kyle and Victor, who might be the ultimate targets of this twisted plan. Diane's trying to protect her family, but will her secret plot pull them closer together? Or will it wreak havoc in front of everyone? Even Tracy, the ever supportive Abbott, is starting to doubt Diane's motives, which tells us this scheme could be on thin ice. So, what do you think? Is Diane going to outsmart everyone? Or will she get tangled in her own web? Drop your thoughts in the comments. November sweeps are going to be very intense because they have all the twists and turns. Storyline are you most excited to see? I'm waiting to hear from you. Until next time, your one and only Y&R Gossip Queen is signing off. Don't miss me too much.